Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Looker Studio with BigQuery for live dashboards step by step clearly. To get started with Looker Studio and BigQuery for live dashboards, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Platform website. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. Once signed in, locate the navigation menu on the left side. Select BigQuery from the menu options. In the BigQuery interface, click on Create Dataset to start a new project. Provide a name for your new dataset in the dialog box that appears. Optionally, set a description and adjust the location if necessary. Click Create Dataset to finalize this step. Next, within your new dataset, click Create Table. Choose the data source type you want to use. If you are uploading a file, select Upload and choose your CSV or JSON file. Alternatively, you could select Google Drive or another Google Cloud source. Fill in the required fields such as table name and schema configuration. Once you've configured your table, click Create Table to load your data. After your table is created, open Looker Studio in a new tab. Sign in with the same Google account you used for BigQuery. In Looker Studio, click on Create and choose Data Source. Select BigQuery from the available options. Locate your project, then find the dataset you created earlier. Select the table from the dataset to use as your data source. Click Connect to import your data into Looker Studio. Now, click on Create Report to start building your dashboard. In the Report Builder, you can drag and drop elements to customize your layout. Utilize charts, scorecards, and tables to visualize your data effectively. Adjust the settings and formatting for each visual as needed. To make your dashboard dynamic, consider adding filters and interactive components. Once satisfied, save your dashboard and give it a meaningful name. Share your dashboard with teammates or stakeholders to collaborate. Regularly update your BigQuery data to ensure your Looker Studio dashboard stays live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.